Hello, let's introduce more about the TY200. Let's see the IC detection. Is we can see the frequency detection is very easy, and you can press here and put the remote on the induction. That's easy, and the IC detection, you will choose the date and the chip model and the notice about is hoping, and it means the rolling code. If we detect this one, you will not the fixed code, and the chip model is PT, and the frequency at here. That's all the information about a remote control you can detect. If we copy a fixed code remote control, we can use this function to comparison. If we press here and press again, you will show that same is the same remote control. If we press this one and press this one, it's different. Okay, rolling code remote can use this function to comparison. That's all. Thank you.